just wasted 10 seconds of your life.
Day 3, sorry, it's day 2. Day 3 since we bought it, day 2 since I've been here. And guy came yesterday and picked up most of the crap. Most of the crap is gone. So all the scrap metal, the truck cap, all that cardboard. Well, actually the truck cap just ended up in the dumpster. And all we're left with is a table and chairs and a box of rocks. Which I guess is apropos. Beautiful day. So once these dumpsters get out of here, we're done. At least we're done with his crap. So one of the things that happened is when I opened the door, powerful smell of cigarette smoke. I mean, I blew everything out with the shop vac and I power washed the floor, but it looks like the smoke stink is going to be on everything. What I'm worried about is that the smoke stink is in the spray foam insulation, which I don't know how to clean. Anybody have any ideas? Let me know. So I'm going to try to move those shelves again today. And they're heavy. They're huge and they're heavy. I'm going to try to use the lawnmower, see if I can drag them. This will be interesting. See how it goes. Yeah, I think I'll do some mowing. I think I'm going to be saying that a lot. So, you guys see the mower. I think it's pretty big, right? Loud, very loud, but it's pretty quick. Adventures of mowing. Found a nice little trailer. It's out there somewhere. Didn't know it was there. Kind of cool.
You videotaping me?
Of course I am.
Okay. So are these movable?
Yep.
Okay.
And these are going to go over where those lawnmowers are and come straight out from that wall.
Like
they're going to come this way. Yeah.
This line.
Probably right along this line. And this side of it is going to be climbing wall.
Okay.
And this side of it. And that side of it is going to be shop. Actually, they're probably going to be closer to over here. That is a yard waste chipper.
Fargo?
Huh?
Fargo? Fargo?
Fargo.
Anyway. So, these go here.
Right.
To make a little L
right.
shape where you put the shop stuff over. Like
so all of this area and all the way over to these curtains is going to be workshop.
Oh, okay. And then these here with the climbing wall.
Climbing wall, and probably ending up building a wall here as well. So it'll be 3-sided climbing, and it'll go over. Assuming that we actually do that.
Assuming that actually.
Because if Danny doesn't live here anymore,
You don't need it.
it seems like we're 5 years too late on it.
You're keeping this stuff?
Yeah, this is a great rolling thing. I was using this all day yesterday. I was for when I was getting rid of all of the stuff. I was using this as my rolling cart to push it out. And the other one is a big steel table that I'll probably use for maybe some of my welding stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And waiters.
But actually, right about here, right about where you're standing, over to the wall, is going to be a room, like an office.
Okay.
That's going to be the clean room, because the CNC stuff's all going to be right about here.
Oh, so this will be the CNC computer.
Right.
Cool.
And that's just a mess. And then I'm thinking that the dust collection is all going to be in the back. The dust collector and the air compressor. And probably going to put a stove, the wood stove, right on that wall.
Okay. Would you just have it come out the wall, or?
Yeah, it's just going to go out the wall.
So your heating will be wood stove and.
Well, wood stove, because we have it, but I want to try to do propane.
Okay.
I want to do something where I can leave it on overnight, 7 days a week when I'm not here. Keep the place heated.
Please don't hurt yourself. What?
There's nothing up here.
Ooh.
I put that back. There's some PVC pipe, but there's nothing worth anything. That was fun.
8.5 out of 10.
That's the climbing wall. Well, I'm going to try it again. I got to move those shelves, and I don't know how, but I got to do it somehow. I just need stuff I don't have yet, like chains and ropes and come-alongs, and we'll make one more attempt just with the brute force, maybe some bigger ropes, and that's it. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Well, once I got it started, it moved. It's a bit of a mess. I think it'll hold up. It's still lined up pretty good. Some shelves are crooked now. I got to put them in the right hooks. But yeah, that'll work. It'll work well. So this is going to be shop space over here now. Yeah, this will be good. I'm pleased. This will be really good.
So, is there anything else you can tell me about him?
He wasn't circumcised.
Oh, yeah?